Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Daniel Oluwatobi, and in this channel, I will be dropping awesome videos that will enhance your graphic design skill. So do well to subscribe to my channel and turn up the notification icon to get notified when I post new video. Today, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to create a Boxing Day flyer using our smartphone with Pixellab application. In this session, you are going to learn how to use color filter to achieve our desired goal on Pixellab. So without wasting time, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to format this flyer. I'm going to format the design and start afresh. So I formatted it like this, and I will delete it. So I'm going to color to change the color to pure white. After I've done that, I will go to my gallery and import one of the image background that we are going to use. We are going to create our background by ourselves. So I'm going to crop it. I'm going to crop it like this, and I will resize it like this. So I don't want it to be red. I want to change it to another color using color filter to manipulate it. To do that, I'm going to increase the hue to something like 113. Let's see, 113. Okay, and I'm going to increase the saturation. I'm going to reduce it. I want to make it darker. Let me reduce it to something like 13. Move it. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the brightness. I want to make it darker. So I'm going to reduce it to minus 53. Oh no, I don't have anything to do with contract. So it is cool like this. Can now move further. After achieving this, let's go to our gallery again to import some things that we need. So we are going to need this one. Place it here. Let's go again. Let me lock this one. Let's import another one. I have it here. Mark and reduce the size. Place it here. Well, before we move further, let me hide this. Let's create a shape. So this shape will be like this to cover the screen. So this is what we need. Screen. Okay. So this is what we need. Let's send this one to you. Let's move it. Let's unwrite this one. After achieving this, use it here. Use it here. Reduce the size a bit. Reduce the size a bit. And it's okay like this. Let's mark this one. Let's go to our gallery to import the material that we need. Don't worry guys, I'm going to leave this material, all the resources, it will be at our description link. Copy. Copy. Welcome. So let's lock it. Let's adjust this one. Reduce it and put it here. Try and reduce this one too. So one more thing that we are going to do before we lock it, let's centralize both together. To do that, we click on, we mark both and we click on this, we centralize it here, and you can see it is well centralized, so we can lock it so that our hand will not be shaking it. Let's go to our test and import and write some text here. Okay. Happy people finger. Let's go to our test again. Delete. Okay. Delete. And let's write boxing. And this one will be here. We go to our relative we firstly go to our align, we align it to the central, to the middle, and we go to our font, give it a font. You can use any good font anyway, but I prefer using this one. Increase it. Let's increase the size. After increasing the size, we are going to reduce the line spacing. The line in between is too much. We reduce it, reduce the size a bit. It's fine. Let's increase the line spacing. So we centralize it. After centralizing it, we change the color to pure red. And we centralize this one to happy. And we change the color to green. So let's shift it to the top. Let's shift it together to the top. Move up. It's okay. And let's do something. We go to our gallery. We want to import one more thing here. Pixellab. I've created this before to reduce my stress. After I imported this thing, I will link it. I will still go to my gallery to import our logo. Because of Christmas season, I'm using this logo. So reduce the size and place it to the top corner. And as you can see, our work is looking awesome and amazing. And in a few minutes now, we are able to achieve something good and captivating. And with this, we come to the end of this session. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you learn something tangible from it. If you see this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friend so that they can also benefit from it. Don't forget to keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.